Hi, welcome to Mount River Farm. And if you want some relaxing tea, here's the recipe for lavender tea. Add honey, and that will be called as honey lavender tea. Add lemon as well, and make it honey lemon lavender tea. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make lavender tea. So this recipe is for 1 cup of herbal lavender tea. I'm saying herbal lavender tea because lavender comes under herbs category. And for making lavender tea, you need culinary lavender, and this is culinary organic lavender from Mount River Farm, which is in Arlington, Washington State in America. And for making tea, you need ½ teaspoon of dried culinary lavender buds. And for additional taste, you can add pure honey or raw sugar. It's up to you. So 1 cup of water, ½ teaspoon of dried lavender buds. And this one you can see, this is Royal Velvet English lavender. So English lavender is used for culinary purposes. Right, so let's see, I'll show you like how to boil this lavender buds in hot water, and then you can strain it and you can sip. And now you can see this is my pan, and I am adding, just boiling 1 cup of water. All right, drinking water. I'll wait. And now you can see water started boiling. I will add ½ teaspoon of culinary lavender to it. You can see this is a culinary lavender. ½ teaspoon I'll just add, and then let it boil for around like a couple minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, and it's better if you cover it. I'm going to cover it and let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. And now you can see after 3 to 4 minutes, just remove the cover, and you can see that has changed its color. And after removing, this blue bud has become a little brownish. After 3 to 4 minutes, just turn off the flame and cover for 1 more minute so that the aroma can stay inside. Aroma will stay inside. And now you can see this is the time to strain it in a cup. So my cup and strainer is ready, and I'm going to strain it. And you can see the color, this is kind of brownish. And now you can see how that looks like. And now you can see how this looks like, little purplish. All right, so now there's the time to add honey or sugar. I'm going to add honey to it. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of honey and then mix it. And now you can see the color of this lavender tea. And you can taste. This is so nice. This is honey lavender tea. You can also use electric infuser for making lavender tea. You can also use lavender tea bag, or you can make your own lavender tea bag. Boil water in the microwave, add tea bag, and then add honey, and your lavender tea is ready. Easy. So this is the actual color of honey lavender tea.